Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you're trying to find the fuse for the turbocharger bypass valve on a Ford Mustang, that generation from year 2015 to year 2023 with the 2.3 EcoBoost engine. Stay with us, we'll explain where the turbocharger bypass valve fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here now, let's explain what we have here specifically, guys. We're going to demonstrate on that 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have the 2.3, it will be the same. Okay, we just want to make it convenient for you. That's the fuse box. Open right here by pressing that notch and open it just like that. Now right here on the inside, guys, you have good news, you have the numbers printed right here. Bad news, you don't know what they're for, but the good news, it corresponds to that layout here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse that we need to check, it will be in that fuse box here. And that fuse box corresponds to that fuse box right there. You can see it's the same. So the fuse that we'll need to check here, you come on the right side, very right row, and you count 1, 2, 3. That's fuse number 42. If you check, guys, okay, if you check the menu, it will not say turbocharger bypass valve. We're talking about that fuse right here. It will say something like power fuse. So that fuse right here, that 15 amp fuse, is the one that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.